Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to create custom offer templates on Fiverr. Maybe you want to create a custom templates offer for your customers on Fiverr. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a custom offer templates on Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you will be directed into this page. You can also see below the message icon, the list icon, and then your profile icon. In this tutorial, you need to tap on this profile icon. And then once you are in here, you will see these custom offer templates. Simply tap on it. And then in here, create templates for custom offers. Save a custom offers during its creation to reuse it as a template. Tap on create an offer. And then in here, first you need to do is to select a gig. Tap on the select button and select your gig. After that, describe your offer. For example, fast delivery. After that, you can scroll down and tap in your price. And you can also see here the delivery time. Tap on the select button and the number of revisions. And you can also change on these settings. After that, you can name your template. For example, name your template as offer. After that, you can tap on the save button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to create custom offer templates, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create an offer templates, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.